My name is Anna. My favorite sound is birds. Whatever bird sings, that's my favorite.
My name is Diane, and my favorite is the birds in the morning.
I'm Judy. I have two favorites. One is silence and one is birdsong.
My name is Jill, and I love the birds in the morning, and in particular the little hummingbird that comes outside my bedroom window.
My name is Leah, and my favorite sound is voice.
My name is Ruth, and I love high waves, the sound of the high waves clashing against the shore.
My name's Leah, and one of my favorite sounds is the sound of seagulls.
My name is Tomas, and my favorite sound is buzzing. Hey! My name is Jesse, and I like the sound of bees.
Herons.
Really? What sound does a heron make?
Raven's wings.
Raven's wings.
And
Water?
owl, eagles,
Hmm.
wind in the trees.
Name's Rod Sauer. My favorite sound on Gabriel Island is the waves crashing on Melsmina galleries.
My name is Lee Sauer, and my favorite sound is children's laughter in the summertime.